Welcome back to another 2021 travel vlog. I think this will be our last road trip for this year. We are having another road trip and we are going around the Philippines. And right now we are here in Legazpi. We are here in your brother's house, tribal village. I'm going to show you the rooms later. We left our house around 5:30ish and my dad was driving crazy. I zonked out in the car. I slept until 10 and then I woke up. They told me to find a place to eat for lunch. So may nakita kaming turo-turo and we ate there for 350. I'm askew. Let me fix that. And then we continued our road trip until we reached Legazpi City and then took pictures in Cansala ruins. Tomorrow we will go back there and do an ATV so that my tita can experience the whole ATV and Mayon Volcano experience. Yes, I think that's it. Welcome back to another travel vlog. This will be another glorious road trip, another tiring road trip, and I hope you'll enjoy. So these are the teepee huts that is surrounding a fireplace. I think nilalight up nila yung fireplace na to when there's a lot of people. We are 30 minutes away pala from Cansala ruins. But I want to show you the ruins. This is a really good place. Really good deal. I want to show you the place and the rooms that we got. So here it is. So here's the family room of your brother's house. We have a TV over here. Of course, it's air-conditioned room. And we have 2 double-deck beds with a pull out. So I think this is good for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons. Pero 4 lang kami. And provided them towels and everything. And then here's the bathroom. It's a container van pala. So you can see the walls are like container van type. Tapos, ayan. Okay. May heater naman. So okay naman siya. And that's the bathroom. Kinda dirty, pero it's alright. So we got this for 2,400, pero dapat 2,800 siya because 750 per person. Yung 750 per person, 4 kami, and then less the senior discounts. We got it for 2,400 something, and here it is, the family room of your brother's house. So this is their other accommodations. I think the name is cabana or bungalow. The bathroom is downstairs. They have their cute little chair, bamboo chair. And this is what the bathroom looks like. Okay, there's no light. I don't know how. There. So that's the shower. It's much cleaner. And it has their own pangalan ko? Hugasan. This is their triangle tribal huts. And it's so cute. Like, it's so quaint. I'm gonna show you what... Wait lang. Meron ako nakitang open na room dito eh. But this is what it looks like on the outside. This is their restaurant. And the rooms comes with free breakfast. This is the creek. Ang downside lang nitong triangle tribal huts is common yung CR. Pero maganda naman yung CR eh. Look, it's so neat, right? So, may nakita ko dito na bukas yung room. It looks like this. I'm gonna open. So, medyo dirty. And it looks like this. Just one bed with an aircon. And there you go. And ito naman yung itsura ng CR. So, tingnan nyo, oh, ang daming triangle tribal huts. So, I think this is 1,499. Bale, 1,500. Good for 2 person. And this is what the common CR looks like. So may shower naman. I don't know if that's hot or cold. And then merong toilet which they have a bidet. So I think that's good. For anybody asking, they have 3 rooms of for shower and 3 rooms for bathroom and 3 hugasan ng kamay and malaking mirror. So what can you ask more if you're looking for a budget place to stay here in Bicol? I think this is really a good deal. The name of the place is called Your Brother's House Tribal Village. I found it on Facebook and I decided to check it out. Very responsive sila sa Facebook. Kaya lang I tried calling them and I think the signal was bad, so napuputol-putol kami. And we just walked in when we arrived here in Bicol. They also have a pool. I'm gonna show it to you. So yan yung pool. So we're going out for dinner. This is our room. It's a trailer van, double deck, and it's called their family room, which costs 750 per person, and I think that's a good deal.
Ano yung sign na ganito? One lane lang. Stop, slow down.
We rented out ATVs again for my tita to experience it, and we rented in Bicol ATV Adventure, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna tag them, their Facebook page down below if you want to check them out. We did the Cagsawa Trail. They are 50% off, and it originally cost 500 pesos. Pero because we have senior citizens, binigay nila for 400 pesos. So there they are taking pictures, and we are here. The Mayon Volcano is kind of hidden right now. Mali pala yung sinabi ko, we did not take the Cagsawa, we took the grassland trail, and 30 minutes lang siya, and it's enough for a first timer just to experience the ATV experience. Staying picture taking, and we're going back, and here we are. So we arrived here at the ticketing office of FastCap. I think we are in Matnog. That's their telephone number. Yan yung ticketing office. And as you can see here, ang daming naka-park ng mga truck. We arrived here around 2 o'clock. Sabi nila, estimate lang naman daw. 3 o'clock daw ang alis ng, or dating ng barko. So this is our second time. FastCap. Baka naman. Port na. I have a vlog about this. I vlogged about this because sinakyan namin to last May. I hope you can hear me despite the music. But since it's our first time, super gulo and super fast yung process. So I think I'm gonna vlog it about it again. But if you wanna watch my first time, it's right here. And yes, this is our second time, and this is an updated price. So here it is. So this is step 1 upon entering the port. Tapos, this is the window 2. I think the window 1, they verified that your car. And then the window 2, you will pay it. Kasi kami sa type 2, so we are going to pay 129. Tapos, lalabas ka dito, and iti-check nila yung papers mo over here. That's the main entrance. And ililista nila yung car mo. I think it's for security. Wala ka namang babayaran dito. This is the next step. You will have to pay the PPA or passenger terminal fee. Free yung mga senior citizens, students, PWDs and everything. Pero may bayad na ngayon ang driver and 30 pesos. So, in our case, since 4 ang senior citizens namin, isa lang binayaran namin, which is 30 pesos, which is ako lang. And super tipid kami. Make sure na dala-dala niyo yung mga senior citizen ID because hindi nila i-honor yung discount if you don't have the ID. Ang binayaran namin sa FastCat is 1,285. Yun yung rate ng vehicle sa ticket for the FastCat. Car namin is Isuzu Trooper 4x4 and 1,285 ang cost niya. Ang normal passenger rate is 142. And sabi nila, bukas nila yung aircon room nila. If you want to avail the aircon room, magbabayad ka ng 30 pesos plus 30 pesos above the 142. Pero sabi namin wag na kasi gusto namin fresh air and everything. So we just took the 142 per person. Pero tatlong senior citizens kami. So I think ang na-discount ng senior citizen, ang binayaran ng senior citizen is I think 102.66. Na binayaran namin sa FastCat is 1,593. So if you really have discounts like senior or PWDs, just make sure na dala-dala nyo yung ID para ma-avail nyo yung discount because malaking tulong siya sa mga terminal fee and even the passenger tickets sa FastCat. Tapos, ang sunod nyo gagawin is go to the Coast Guard station where they have to log or you have to write your name and everything. I-verify lang nila, titignan nila yung resibo. And then, pupunta ka na sa pipila ka na dyan.
Kala namin, ba't anong hinihintay nito?
Santa Clara yun sir, wala sa listahan.
Ah, gano'n? Salamat. Sir, sir.
Boss, Christmas, advance.
Sir, dumaan kayo ng Coast Guard, sir?
Oo.
Stop. Oo. Saan?
Nandyan
Sabihin
yan.
nyo, sir, pagka hanapan kayo doon, nakuha na namin, ha? Para wag nang ipabalikin ng Coast Guard.
Bakit nyo kinuha?
Bakit may Coast Guard ulit doon? Wala, sir, pag nagtanong doon sa barko.
Tanungin mo, ba't mo kinuha?
Bakit niyo kinuha kuya?
Ho?
Bakit niyo kinuha?
Kinukuha po ito.
Sadyang sa inyo yan?
Binibigay po namin sa inspector doon.
Sabihin namin, binigay, kinuha mo.
Sabihin na nakuha na namin para wag namin pabalikin ng Coast Guard.
Anong pangalan mo?
Pulpo, pulpo.
Wala, okay. Thanks.
Oh, pang kape. Ay, salamat sir. Ito na sir.
Oh, sandali lang sir. Sir, may ano ako sa iyo ha, request. Huwag bumaba. Go. Yan, tataas mo yan sir. Sandali, sandali. Yan, o, kita mo? Pagbaba niyan. Go ka ha. Timing, timing. Yes sir, matag ka muna sir. Okay, go! Go!
Bakit hindi ganun dati? Kakapasok lang namin dito sa Roro and super lakas ng alon. Dun sa pagpasok namin sa Roro is like, it's not like our first time na super calm yung water. Pero this is what the waves looks like right now. Yan yung non-aircon. Nandito sa loob yung aircon with the bathroom. Naihilo na. Okay, update. 6:16 na. Nandito pa rin kami sa Matlog. Hindi pa rin umaalis ang Roro. And so cold. Maalon. And I'm getting hungry. So, my store dun sa aircon cabin. Ano ba yung 15? 15 pesos pa J-bar. Para makatawid gutom lang. We are finally leaving. 6:30 p.m. Bye, Luzon! Dito na po sa summer. Ayan, nag-unloading na naman. Grabe yung alon. It was so windy. It was so cold. And nagsaka kami ng bangko. Grabe. Grabe talaga yun.